Welcome back, everybody. We are here with another burger battle video and a reoccurring guest.
Hello, hello.
My brother, Salvador Cid. We are so excited because we have Swamp Daddy's Burger. We ordered it to go because it's a little more quiet here for you guys. So here we go. Ready for the reveal?
Uh-huh. Ba-ba-da-bum.
Ba-ba-da-dum. Wow. There, you guys can see it. It smells really good. This is a cornbread
Bun. That's the word.
Yes, and Swamp Daddy's is a authentic
Louisiana, New Orleans
restaurant. The owners are actually from there, so you know you're gonna have some fire, bomb, great Cajun food. They're Cajun, right?
Yeah, it's Cajun.
Yeah, it's Cajun. Looks awesome.
I want to eat my burger.
Let's eat it.
Cool.
Okay, you guys. Check out the amazing burgers. First bites, here we go.
That's a fat burger. Oh, look at that drip.
The cornbread bun, spectacular.
Mm-hmm.
The patty is super juicy, perfectly done. It's well done too. Very, very good and juicy.
Cajun style chips done exquisitely.
I love it.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think I've ever had a burger with a cornbread bun.
Me either. But all these flavors marinate so well together. I honestly think this is my favorite of how the flavors complement each other for a burger. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
There was a lot of thought that went into the flavor.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I don't know what the sauce is that they use on here, but it's not too overpowering. It's very complimentary.
This is a Cajun burger. Like if there was ever a Cajun burger, this is it. Right? Like you taste the roots of Cajun in here. New Orleans and all of it. Mm-hmm. So good.
Yeah, I'm a fan. Didn't need a napkin for this one.
It's not too bad though. A little grease from the juicy, meaty bun or patty.
I was going to say more off the flakes of the cornbread, but yeah, really good stuff.
These are good. Ooh, they're a little spicy.
That's Cajun.
I love it. They really knocked it out of the park with this one. I like it a lot.
Yeah, shout out to Swamp Daddy. Never come through. Great place to stop.
Brother and I are pairing it with their Queen Bee Imperial Honey Cream Ale.
I believe this is a local brew here in Sioux Falls.
Let's see. It's really good. It's refreshing. Reminds me of summer. Yeah. Remedy Brewing Company. Yes,
yep,
it is from Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Shout out Remedy. I like it. It's good. Burger's fabulous. Okay, so let's rate it, brother.
Rating
flavor. What are we rating it 1 to 10?
I'd give this a 9 on flavor. It was a lot of thought went into it. It complements itself very well. You can tell where its roots are from. This is a Cajun burger.
I agree. Woo, 9. 1 through 10 for the patty.
I'm gonna give it a 7. The cornbread, very unique. Never had it before. Really good. However,
we're talking about the burger, the patty.
The patty.
So there's 5 different things that we rated on.
Ah, right. The patty, it's like very soft and juicy. It's not hard to bite through at all, which is great because this thing is just so massive. And the flavor really comes out on it. I give it an 8.
I'm giving it a 9. Normally, I'm not a well done type of gal when it comes to patties, but they just really did an incredible job with this one. I like it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Toppings, 1 through 10.
Toppings. Well, I suppose we didn't even say what the toppings are, did we? We got an onion ring. This looks like.
You can see all the seasonings.
It almost looks like they put Chislett on this.
Yes, they did. Chislick.
And then you have this New Orleans sauce, Cajun sauce. I don't know what it is, but it's really creamy and good. And tomato lettuce. Toppings, like I said, they just complement each other very well. You can put your chips in it if you want some extra crunch and texture. Giving it a 9.
I'm giving it a 10.
Wow.
It's seriously these flavors are out of this world. The fact that you can taste roots and culture, amazing. I'm seeing, every bite I take, I think of Mardi Gras. I love it. 1 through 10 for the bun.
The bun. Again, that cornbread bun. It goes really well with the burger, but on its standalone, it still is cornbread, and that makes it very dry, which, I mean, the burger itself is very juicy, so that's, it gets by with it, but if I was having this on any other burger, probably wouldn't be as tolerable. I'm going to give it a 7. It goes very well with the burger, but I imagine standing on its own, I'd probably prefer a regular bun.
I'm going to have to agree with him too, a 7. It is very grainy up here on the top. You'll feel it on the roof of your mouth. It goes fabulous with the burger, but the texture is a little grainy. And alone, I don't think I could eat it either. Presentation, 1 through 10.
Presentation. You go to a restaurant called Swamp Daddy's, you're going to think of something that's very wild out there. And I think this burger really drives that point home. When we first presented it, it just looked, the texture of the actual patty and all the ingredients, they almost look like almost looks like it's going to hurt you when you first take a bite.
Yeah.
And
yeah, I mean,
like I said, you're going to a place called Swamp Daddy's. I think that's what you're looking for. Something messy, something aggressive. And yeah, it does just that. I'm going to give it an 8.
I'm giving it a 9.5. I'm blown away by this burger. First of all, it's a protein a lover's dream. The amount of meat that they put in this, they are not kidding. And they're not being shy about it. As a former bodybuilder, I'm just in heaven. I love it. It is aggressive, as my brother mentioned. I love it. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. 9.5, actually. I'm giving it a 9.5.
Wow.
Anything else you want to say? Oh. Well, that was presentation, right?
Yep. What's left?
For the presentation, I'm giving it a 9. So
You said 9.5.
I know, but now I'm saying 9 because I thought it was the overall burger.
Oh.
For the presentation, I'm giving it a
9.
I'm giving it an 8 for the presentation. It does kind of actually look like a perfect burger, like when you see them on the commercials, but it tastes even more better than that. Presentation, I'm going to give it an 8. But my overall rating for this burger is a 9.5. Absolutely love it.
I suppose overall, I would also give it a 9. It's very good overall. I can see myself getting this one again. The side, you know, not everything has to come with fries, and these Cajun chips, they have extra crunch, they have the texture, they have the flavor, the spices.
The spices, they really, fabulous.
As I've said multiple times before, this is just a very well thought out burger overall.
I would totally eat this again. Yeah, I hope they keep it honestly on the menu. Swamp Daddies, you really, really rocked it. If you happen to know of a burger fanatic, anybody from New Orleans, make Swamp Daddies proud. Please share and like this video over to them. Give us all your love and support because we truly appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next burger video.
Peace.
Yay, let's eat.